So today I'm presenting the Argosia mission operational software, which is a software application designed to federate and to provide data fusion for ISR sensors such as radar, cameras, signal intelligence or self-protection systems in a single interface for multi-console and multi-mission operations. Argosia can be used in the maritime patrol applications or maritime surveillance applications, but can also be used in air support to ground troops. So the main benefits are sensor data fusion capabilities between radar, AIS or IFF sensors, and also to present common operational pictures to all the consoles inside the same aircraft. So Argosia is of course compatible with all ISR sensors provided by the group, such as the Preciser radar, the Argos camera or the Caletron SIGINT system. But Argosia is a sensor agnostic solution. We can also integrate third-party sensors from other manufacturers.